everybody, last call.
The rain has started.
We're in the gate. We're in the gate.
Lock the gate.
Get the gate.
I want to get shut out.
Ready for me and I'll
It'd be like a first, right?
all the way inside, friends. This is my last call. Ugh. Oh, you're right there.
You thought I was on the outside
I
of
was
the
like,
gate?
where the hell is
Watch
he?
out.
Didn't make it. I was all scared.
That's also escaping.
What's your accident?
Goodbye, Haunted Mansion. Last
That's
summer
it.
for 9 months.
That's it. No, everyone out there, nobody made it.
All right, friends, head all the way up.
It's time to get on the
Head
ride.
all the way up.
It's been quite some time since their last feeding. Please keep your bodies away from those walls, or it is you they'll be eating.
Close watch on all children. All good girls and boys must sit safe in their seats. Keep in their sleigh all hands, arms, legs, or feet. Casarnos todo marcha felizmente. Los juntos minutos y fantasmitas deben quedar sus estaciones. Y en el cochecito, monte de brazos, manos, caderas y pies adentro. The mansion was changed. All was soon covered, but the land will be ready. That much to your wondering eyes. These checks. We will continue our holiday tour in no time at all.
On the first day of Christmas, I
So ring out the bells. There's more cheer to uncover.
white autumn carved tree. On the 13th day of Christmas, my good love gave to me 13 rings of power, embracing strength that never ends. 12 signs of the zodiac that rule the future and transcend. 11 candles floating, the scent of mystery in there.
With some grace and some haste, you will see man. Why, even if you die, could seem scary. But yours and fruitcake, anyone? Oh, oh, oh!
I really outdid myself this time. Look at all that.
What's this? What's this? Scare. Who gives you such a treat? Maybe something good to eat. Look, we've got ourselves a winner here. Welcome to Furry's High Trick Center. Round and round she goes. What's your gift? Are you in a treat or a treat?
Be sure to bring your Santa Claus sack. I'll be waiting to open my Christmas present. Hurry back. Hurry back.
Merry Christmas, one and all!
Thank you, Santa Claus, for bringing your cheer. Please hurry back.
Alright, that's it. Haunted Mansion holiday is done until August, because Halloween starts in August this year. Finally, we get a little more Halloween, but we don't get regular Haunted Mansion, which is still boggling my mind. 2024, the year without Haunted Mansion Classic. But we'll still take Haunted Mansion Holiday, which is going to come back in August. We're going to have a whole new queue. We're going to have Memento Mori over there. Lots of stuff coming your way. But we just got through the last ride. I wouldn't say it's not of the year, but of the season. So let's see what they do here over the next few months. Watch out for that puddle. On here is the casting agency.
Looks like it's heading to the exit down.
There's a little Easter egg for Ghost.
Thank you for watching, and thank you to our sponsors and Patreon producers for making this video possible. Hit the subscribe button so the creepy fun never has to end. This is Hannah reminding you to keep it creepy.